Melancholy has arrived. The sun will rise, time goes by, when I thought everything will go according to my plan. All the gaiety in me is like a bubble that disappears. Years ago, when I felt like the most lucky person in the world, I met a man that I thought he would treasure me the most, to the point that I gave all that I have to the man that I thought who will fight for me back. Heartwarming memories, unforgettable moments, all the road that we passed through, all the promises I made with you. But the sun will set up my time here. All that journeys will be unforgettable. Those moments will become memories. And that's the time melancholy has arrived.